You see, I am so proud of our ancestors. They did so much for us as Africans, and they left us a legacy without a stain. Well, they left us a legacy that nobody can lay claim to, that they have wronged us in one way or the other. The African ancestors made it possible for us at the end of the day that when you travel around the world, there is no country where you can find foreigners that will say they were brought into that country as slaves by Africans. It's not in history, but rather the opposite is the case. I am so proud of our ancestors. They have made us proud. There's nowhere you go on earth when the language they speak was imposed on them by black people. No, not at all. Black men don't colonize other men. We've never enslaved other continents, but rather the reverse is the case. I cannot be more proud of our ancestors. They did very well. And Africa has more countries than any other continent. 54 in Africa, 13 in the Caribbean, where black people are. And nobody, not a single continent, not a single race, can lay claim that they were brought to the place where they are today as slaves by black men. No, black men don't enslave. Rather, we love, we care, we welcome. Yet they took it for granted and saw it as our weakness. Rap is not a weakness. It was our strength, and it is still our strength. We are accommodating. We love humans. We're not haters of men. We love humans. So it is high time for us to begin to put things in the right perspectives and let the world understand that African potential is not a weakness, but strength. Africans, be proud of yourself. Be proud of your ancestors. Be proud of your fathers. And let us together raise the banner of Africa high. Ori Agbewa Ire. Inspired by Ori. Guided by Africa. Ori Africa.